Craftartarina. My name is Shruti and today we'll be doing water candles. I know it's my first video, so let's start.
So we're starting off with a basic water candle. You'll need a glass of water, oil, any oil is fine, cooking oil, coconut oil, but I'm using lamp oil. Next you're gonna need a plastic sheet, even plastic bottles are fine. Just draw a circle, then you'll need to cut it out and then make a fold like a semicircle. Cut it out like an X, just make sure that they meet together or something, and then it'll like kind of form a small hole in between. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, there is a hole in between. And then later you're going to need cotton. We're going to make the wick. You just need a small ball of cotton, roll it up, then you're going to just slide it into the hole that we've made, and then you have to cut off the excess cotton that's below, just to make sure that the wick touches only the oil and not the water that's inside. If it does touch the water, then it's not gonna burn. Then just light it up and you're good to go. For the next water candle, you need a long glass, pretty little stones. Then we're just gonna repeat the same thing that we did previously. Add in water, make your wick, add in some oil, just a small tip. Just dab some oil at the tip of the wick if it doesn't burn. This water candle, I'll be using a small jar and some small pretty beads. You can use any bead, whatever beads you have at home. Light it up and you're done. For this water candle, you'll need a bowl which has ridges like these, and I'm mixing in some acrylic metallic paint. It gives a nice shimmer effect, but the shimmer just settles down later, so y'all can use normal acrylic or watercolor paints. Next, I'm using these watercolor wicks that are readily available. Y'all can use it if y'all want to. It's available on Amazon. This is one of my favorite. For this one, I'm using empty acrylic paint bottles. Just apply some glue, add in some glitter, add a coat of varnish on top because the glitter keeps falling down and I was so fed up cleaning up. I'm using the same water candle wicks, but they were big, so I had to cut it out. For this last water candle, I'm using this coconut shelled DIY that I made. It's on my Instagram. If y'all want, y'all can check it. It's very simple and easy to make. And this is a different type of wick, so I just made use of it. Then you're just gonna light it up and it's all done.
DIY video is done. Y'all have watched the entire video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and join the arena. We'll see y'all next Thursday, hopefully. because I'm planning to post every Thursdays as of now. I hope your family has a really happy and safe Diwali.